Goodness gracious, guys. It is freezing cold outside here in Texas. We are expected to get down to a wind chill of 4 degrees by tomorrow morning. Got me a fire going, and now it's time to start making Grandma's hot cocoa. We are ready to get started on our authentic Grandma's hot chocolate. So to start off with, I have 4 cups of whole milk. I have 1 cup of heavy cream, whipping cream for our garnish. I have 4 ounces of the Baker's semi-sweet chocolate. I did grate a half of one here that I'm going to use as my garnish when I put the whipped cream on top. So let's get started. To start off, guys, I've got my milk and my cream in a saucepan, and I'm going to heat this up before I add my chocolate here. You don't want it to scorch, so you want to keep it stirred. You want to use a whisk or a spoon. So again, you don't want it to scorch, so you want to keep it moving in your saucepan so it doesn't settle on the bottom. And we're going to heat this up before we add our chocolate to it. And we're using semi-sweet chocolate, so we don't have to add any sugar to it. You can see the milk and the cream are starting to heat up, so we're going to start adding our chocolate. And this is, again, the semi-sweet or semi-sweet chocolate. And we're going to add this in here so it will start to melt and make our hot chocolate. Starting to melt up really nicely and start to turn the chocolatey cover. Keep stirring because you don't want your milk to scald. You can see it turning the yummy chocolatey flavor. This is going to be so good. I want to add a little bit more chocolatey taste to it, so I'm going to add 5 Hershey Kisses. We keep these on hand because my grandson absolutely loves them. We're expecting a cold front tonight, guys, that are going to, that's going to bring in wind chills to about 4 degrees tomorrow morning when we get up and get ready for work. I've got a couple of fires going in the house and trying to keep us warm. So hot cocoa on a day like today is really good. And you know, for all my adult friends, if you wanted to make this adult hot cocoa, you could add some Grand Marnier or some of the Godiva liqueur. And this would finish it off exactly how you want it. Look how creamy that has turned out to be. So now I'm going to pour it into a cup and I'm going to show you how I serve it. I have topped it off with some Ready Whip and some of my chocolate shavings. And I'm going to go serve this up to my husband. Thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate each and every one of you. We ask that if you like what you see, that you subscribe to our channel and you click the like button. We got lots more things coming up. We got our garden coming up that we're going to show you all how to plant and how to harvest and how to can. So thank you all for watching. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend.